A woman is demanding answers from the St. Anne's Bay Hospital for what she said is a misdiagnosis which led to her losing her sight. Meanwhile, the hospital responded saying it is now investigating the matter. Shamela Pullen has that story.
In February of last year, Nicalia Johnson from Orange Hill, St. Anne went to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital after complaining about pain in her neck. Ms. Johnson said after she was seen and assessed, she was sent home with a prescription. She said she got the medication, but the pain persisted. So she went back to the hospital continuously. However, on one particular occasion, she was admitted. That's when things took a different turn.
I got discharged from the St. Anne's Hospital, unable to walk, unable to see, unable to move around.
After being on treatment for a while, Ms. Johnson said she was transferred to the Kingston Public Hospital, KPH. However, after being at the KPH for a week, she was sent back to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital. But up to now, Ms. Johnson says she was still not given a diagnosis.
I can remember they told my mother it was a swelling in the brain. Then they keep on, we did scans. I did an MRI, a CT scans. Up till this day, 3 scans. Up till today, she's unable to get a report from the St. Anne's Hospital. The neurologist keep asking for the disc with the results on it in order to continue to treat me. Yes, they didn't give us a report up until this date. She's unable to still get it.
The situation has affected her psychologically. Ms. Johnson said she's often sad, depressed, and frustrated, especially knowing she was the breadwinner for her family.
I'm giving God thanks, yes, but beyond that, I am struggling and I'm suffering. And you don't understand. And you're in a place, people that keep looking at you. You can't see what they're doing. If I sit beside an unsound person, I don't know. If I sit beside a gunman, I don't know. People would understand the pain, the anguish, and the anger that I face.
I want some help for your eye. And it's really rough, really hard for him to know that she's like this.
They also want justice from the hospital as they think her condition is caused by negligence. TVJ News contacted the authorities from Northeast Regional Health Authority NERA, under which the hospital falls. At a function on Friday, Regional Director Fabia Lam said she had asked the hospital to provide her with a report. As such, she's unable to comment on the matter before receiving that report. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.